Hello there, my name is Ollie from Unmatched. Today I have for you the 2023 Fiat Ducato. This is a long wheelbase high roof model. This means it does come with a little bit of storage space just above the cab as well, which is a lot more convenient than you may think. Now this does come with around 16,000 miles on the clock. It does also come with hands-free cooling, voice assist, cruise control, a 6-speed manual transmission, air conditioning and also heating, as you can see throughout. And if we do just look at the load area in the back, as you can see, it is, well, as you would expect, very big. It is also ply-lined, interior lit, and there are some cargo rings dotted about to side down any load you may want to carry. And I will just show you this space from the back doors as well. Now, one important thing there is to note about this vehicle is there are no dents or scratches at all upon the bulkhead, suggesting that the previous owner of this van did only use it for light loads. Now, if you would like to find out more about this Fiat Ducato, then please do feel free to head over to our website, anchorvans.co.uk. The link will be in the description of this video, where you can check out our site in Padworth for more information.